Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from Group 6. First of all, I would like to introduce our team members. Our team members consist of 5 members. First of all is Muhammad Nazmi bin Nawawi, Muhammad AFDZAL bin BAKHRI, Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Rafi, NATASYA binti ZAMANEE, and me, SITI NURHAZIQAH binti HAMID.
Next, I'm going to point out some of the weaknesses of UTM graduate attribute among students. First, teamwork. Lack of teamwork spirit among students due to meet new people and exposed to the new surrounding that affect the overall task and skill performance. Second, low interaction and communication among students that lead to the miscommunication or misunderstanding throughout the program involved. Last, the inability to make a sensible decision that lead to the lack of credibility or leadership among students.
Okay, this is our main objective for this program. First, we want to help students gaining valuable skills and knowledge. Second, we want to create awareness, the importance of taking care of nature and create a safer environment. And third is to encourage the UTM students to practice and tolerant and being responsible. Okay, this is the date and the venue that we plan to do our program. So we plan to do on 25 May 2022, and the venue that we choose is at Batu Layar, Bandar Penawar, Kota Tinggi, Johor. Our target participant is 30 volunteers among UTM students, and our guests that we would like to invite as our VIP is Dr. Shamila Binti Azman, because he is our lecturer of this subject. Now, our tentative for this program is we will start gather and having some breakfast at Fabu on 6:15 a.m. early in the morning. Then we will start depart from UTN on 6:30 a.m. and our estimation time to arrive at Batu Layar on 7:45 and 8 a.m. We will get some briefing from the organizer. 8:10 p.m. we will the volunteers have some warm up and break ice so that they will be introduced to the crew. 8:30 a.m. we will form a group for the volunteers and start distributing the tools that we will use in cleaning the beach. So 9 a.m. we will start cleaning until 11 a.m. After that, we will collect all the plastic bags and tools that we use and place them in one place and throw all the rubbish at the place that we provided. And 11 a.m. we will 11:30 a.m. we will have some lunch. 12:30 a.m. we will have closing ceremony because we have the guests VIP Dr. Shamila, and at 1 a.m. we will start dismiss and go back to UTM.
Financial. For the allocation that we get, first is from SCP, that is 600 ringgit Malaysia. For participation fee, we set 50 ringgit for each volunteer, so the total participation fee is 450 ringgit. The total allocation that we get is 1050 ringgit. For the expense, firstly, we expend 550 ringgit for transportation, that is bus. Next, we expend 50 ringgit for banner. After that, we expend 150 ringgit for equipment, that is plastic bag and PVC green gardening. For food and beverage, we set 10 ringgit for each volunteer. So for the food and beverage, we expend 300 ringgit. So the total expense that we use for this program is 1015 ringgit. This is organizer commit for monitoring and evaluation. Our director is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Rafi, and our vice director is Siti Nazika binti Hamid, is responsible to planning and directing the program. Our secretary is Muhammad Nazmi bin Nawawi, is responsible to manage the budget. Our treasurer is NATASYA binti ZAMANEE, is responsible to write agenda and minute meeting. Next, this is the unit that will help to make the program successful. First, unit protocol Muhammad Azhar bin Muhammad Bakri, unit multimedia Badr Naim bin Fuad, Unit 4 Nurul Ain Nabil Safudin, Unit Special Duties Muhammad Azim Bashukri, Unit Welfare Muhammad Izzat bin Naim, and Unit Activity Nur Arisa binti Hamid.
Importance of UTM graduate attribute among a student. So, the firstly, teamwork is essential because it maintains an enjoyable work environment. Teamwork builds strong employers relationship because the more employers work close to each other, they work together and for a long time, the team become more collaborative. So we go to the communication skill. One of the most crucial life skill to master is how we to communicate effectively. Information sharing that the result is better understanding is the definition of the communications itself. Communication skills are abilities that are used when giving and receiving information in its various form, which enable a person to pass information to other people and to understand what it said to him. So, lastly, important of the leadership. Firstly, an effective leader, a team has a variety of traits and characteristics that encourage team member to follow him or her. So, provide the focus and drive the team forward. A leader will provide focus to the team by the clearly defining goal and explain objective so that the every member on the team understand the end goal they are working to achieve.
As for conclusion, it can be concluded that this program can enhance on the students' communication skills as students are able to engage with all the community throughout the program, which is the participants. Apart from that, we also can make a conclusion that this program able to encourage on the teamwork skills among the participants, which is the students, as students has built good relationship among them throughout this program. Last but not least, we also can make a conclusion that this program able to develop leadership skills among students as students are assigned to different groups and each group has its own leader.